Hi, David here, CEO and founder of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. Recently published an article in Entrepreneur Magazine on how small businesses can navigate what I would call the post-pandemic economy. Now, yes, we still have the COVID virus amongst us, but I think we are moving past that. We're moving on. In fact, we have to move on. And small businesses were very much hard hit and are still trying to navigate and move through the issues that were caused by that pandemic. We had the government mandated shutdown 2 years ago. Then we had PPP loans and unemployment on steroids. Now we have the Great Resignation, staff shortages, wages are on the uprise, can't find enough people, supply chain issues, and now we have inflation. Along with inflation, interest rates are on the rise. So many things to deal with. Positioning and being adaptable and flexible are the keys to your future. You can do this. You can navigate. In fact, I would say small business can navigate the volatility of the economy in the future much better than large businesses. So keep that in mind. Read the article. I think you'll enjoy it. I think it'll bring up some things for you to consider with your board of advisors, your staff, the people, the principals in your office or your practice, and help you make the most of the opportunities that are ahead instead of being hit by the tsunami that many will be hit by. Talk to you soon.